Our speaker today is Bibi Bunmi Apampa. Mrs. Apampa, the director of the Empowerment Center Limited, is a chartered accountant, a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants, and fellow Chartered Institute of Taxation. She is a top inspirational speaker, thought leader, and high-performance business coach. Bibi is an Amazon best-selling author on personal transformation with a book, How to Make Maximum Impact in Life, hitting #1 on Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk on the day it was released. Bibi joined a select group of entrepreneurs from around the world with Mark Victor Hansen to co-write the best-selling book, Boom. The book reached bestseller status in 2 Amazon.com categories on the day it was released. She got the Quilly Award in Hollywood at the National Academy of Best-Selling Authors for her books reaching the #1 Amazon bestsellers list. Mrs. Apampa has been featured on CBS News, Fox, NBC, ABC, and other major media platforms. She is a consultant and advisor on rich retirement planning, as well as a regular trainer on transformational leadership, wealth creation, financial empowerment, and business breakthrough strategies. Listening to Bibi Bunmi Apampa, you get a super wealth coach, a business mentor, and a marketing queen all in one. Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome Mrs. Bibi Bunmi Apampa.